In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 or more per month selling one simple service to small business, and that's reputation management. Now, reputation management, or really what we're talking about here is getting more Google reviews, is something that small businesses desperately need. Let me hop in and kind of explain to you what I mean. We're going to be talking about a few things here, and I'm going to try to help you understand why small businesses need this, how you could sell it, how much you can offer it, and what exactly you're going to offer to them. So I'm going to cover all that here in the next few minutes of this video and show you, number one, how I do it, how the software, what software that you need to actually do this, and how all of it works. So real quick, why do small businesses need it? Quite frankly, it's very simple. The more reviews you have, the more customers feel they can trust your business. That's really it. So the more reviews, the more trust you have, period. That's what it means. And ultimately, the more reviews you have, the more customers you're going to get as a result of that particular trust. Now, having said that, what I want to do is just kind of give you an example here. I want to show you, just using you and me are going to do this together here. I'm looking for an electrician. So I'm going to just go and search for an electrician near me. I'm going to come down here and scroll to this business area, and I'm going to click on this link right here to see a list of electricians in my area. Now, let me just ask you this. If you're here and you're looking at this particular company here with 1,022 reviews, and this one at the next one at 535, which one do you think you're going to call when these people have been in business for 32 years, these have been in business for 4 years, they have 1,022 and they have 535? Might be a tough call, but typically you're going to go with the person that's been in business the longest because they've been there, they've proven that they've lasted longer, and they have more reviews. So that could be just the mental aspect of how customers think when they're looking for a review. Now keep in mind, let's just assume you're doing these two people, this Potts Electric at 535 or Elegant Electric at 29. Now let me ask you this, which one do you think you're going to choose if you had to choose an electrician? Without ever going to the website, without calling them, without doing anything, which ultimately do you think you're going to trust more? The person with 535 or the person with 29? You kind of get my point. So if you scroll down here, this Elegant Electric is not going to stand a chance against the Spark Daddy LLC with 732 reviews. So these people obviously, must have some kind of a system put in place for doing this, but this person doesn't. And look at all these people, and these people are in every market. This isn't just, in my local area. This could be in any local area. So you could put like electrician near Houston, Texas, electrician near Santa Fe, New Mexico. You could do any of those and see the same type of thing. You've got businesses that are struggling to get Google reviews because, quite frankly, they just may not know how, they may not have time, and they just may not have a system put in place for doing it, and they don't know how valuable it is to them. So I'm just going to show you, these are the people, 19, that's another person you can call. These people right here are people that you can contact right away. Hey, I can help you get more Google reviews for this one. Let me show you how we can do it. 112, 29. So all these people, you can get pages and pages of businesses in your area just like this. So these are reasons why small businesses need this service, because they're out doing their job, they're doing their business. They look at reviews as something that would be nice to have, but what they don't understand as a small business is how valuable that means. They don't understand that the more reviews is more trust. More trust means more customers. More customers means more revenue. So all of that kind of ties together, and this is how you're going to be able to make money helping out small businesses selling reputation management. Now, how do I do it? I use a software called Highlevel. Now, I'm going to show you what the Highlevel platform looks like. Highlevel is a huge software platform that can really help out small businesses, but it's really great for being able to have people start. They have a plan as cheaply as $97 a month that you can log into, and you can simply have all of these features of reputation management and many more that you could potentially sell your client later. We're not going to discuss in this video. We're just talking about the one service reputation management and how much you can make off each client on autopilot every single month. And you can make thousands and thousands of dollars and really work just a few hours a week to maintain this. And I'm going to show you how. So let's hop over here and just take a quick look at the software. This right here is what the software looks like. Has this nice little dashboard. And keep in mind, your clients actually get this software. When you get the software here, you're going to be able to get your clients are going to be able to look at this. And one of the benefits of this is there's actually a mobile app that your clients can download on their smartphone, and they can get a similar dashboard that your owners can actually look at. So while they're at lunch or on a break, they can open up their mobile app, take a look at it, and see the progress that this software and automation is happening, how many reviews are going out, how many reviews they've received, all of this stuff all using a mobile app, and it doesn't cost you any more. You can simply include that as a benefit of your service every single month. But here you get this nice dashboard. If the owner ever want to come back here, the owner or the client come back, they can manually send a request out. Just put in a phone number, put in an email, say which way do you want to send this, and the system can automatically send out a request to get a Google review. You can sit here and look. Again, this is a demo account that I have set up, but this review, this is where you would see all the reviews. Again, you can send out another review request here. If you ever notice on people's websites, they have like a little testimonials area. Well, this right here is a widget. It's a little piece of code that you can help. This is a part of your offering that you're going to offer them. I'm going to be able to put this software on your website that shows you that directly links all of your Google reviews directly on your main page, that in case people go to your website and start taking a look at it, they're going to see the proof of all these testimonials, and this is just going to be another step that's going to help you get more customers by having that trust on your website, and you get that with it. So you get this widget, you get that, and here's one of the great things about it here. One of the main pain points is not only just getting the Google review, that's the first pain point. The other pain point that you're going to help out with small businesses and offer them a solution is to use AI to actually respond to those Google requests once you get them. Because keep in mind, Google loves it when you get more reviews. They make your ranking higher in the search engine, but they also can lower your ranking even if you get higher Google reviews if you don't respond to those reviews. Because what you're telling Google, what Google sees is your customers are using our platform, but you, the customer, are not. So they kind of drop you back down if you don't start responding to these reviews, and that's pretty bad. So right now, responding to a review can take you at least a couple of minutes, per person. And imagine, let's just say you're getting 50 reviews per week in the system. That's 200 reviews your clients are getting per month. 200 reviews, even let's take it on the low end, 2 minutes. You spend 2 minutes to reply to every review. That's 400 minutes. Okay, that's like over 3 hours a month that your client, whoever, is going to have to spend replying to these reviews. Why do that? Why spend 3.5 hours when you can sell this AI system that can leave a very courteous, kind message customized to the person that left it for you automatically? Look at these settings. All you have to do is come down here and just say, hey, if I get a 5-star review, wait 130 minutes, and then after, because you don't want to respond right away to a review, because then that it's not authentic. So let's just wait 130 minutes, and then we're going to reply to that review with a very nice, kind reply. And all of it happens automatically with the GoHighlevel platform system. So once you get this thing set up, which by the way only takes you an hour, maybe 2, to get this system set up here, because if by the way, one of the other bonuses as a part of this is I created another video on my channel. I've got it linked in the description below, but I'm going to give you this entire reputation management system here that I'm showing you. Everything that you're going to see in this demo, all the workflows, all the automation, you don't even need to build that. I'm going to give that to you for you. And all you have to do is just click on my link below and sign up for the Highlevel software. I am an affiliate, so if you use my link, you will get 30 days free trial for the software. So that's 30 days to get one client. And that one client is going to be enough to completely pay for your software and start making money all within 30 days. That is super, super doable and easy to do. So I'm going to give you this entire reputation management system. Again, watch my other more technical training that I have on my YouTube channel. It goes over all the stuff that you get, how to implement it, how to use it, and I'm going to link that in the description below. But all of this stuff you're going to be able to get. You don't even need to build it out. So this right here is just, again, the software that I use to do the exact same service. Now, what are you actually going to be selling? What are some of the features inside of the GoHighlevel platform? Again, GoHighlevel can do a lot more things. And again, I'm not going to go over those and kind of blow your mind in this video, but reputation management is just one small piece, a small piece that Highlevel can do. And you can, again, make $10,000 a month just selling this to clients over and over again, helping them solve the problems that we've already talked about with setting up a system to get Google reviews, responding to Google reviews, and in turn, helping to grow that ranking and making them more revenue in their business. So here's some of the features. The Google My Business profile that your customer has, the software is going to be able to connect directly to that, and it's going to be able to generate a custom unique link that you're going to be able to send out to make it very easy for people to just click on a text message, pops up on their phone. They're going to get 5 stars. They can click on whatever star rating, leave a review, and click submit. Very super easy to do and to get set up. Well, Highlevel integrates directly with that Google My Business, giving you that little link, making it super easy for you to set that up. You're going to be able to send review requests out. Again, the owner can do this on the mobile app on their phone. Or in this kind of case, we're going to be doing it automatically, and I'm going to show you how to do it using what they call a workflow. This is the automation piece behind that's going to be working 24/7 for your clients, and you're going to be able to charge for in your offering. So you also get the review widget, which you can put on their website that offers more testimonials. They typically would have to pay for something like that as well. The workflow, and again, the reviews AI. This is the response, leaving that nice custom response using AI to every review that you get. So you don't have to waste a lot of time leaving those reviews. So this is what we can do. And what I want to do is just hop in real quick and just show you the automation piece. Now, in this, the system I'm going to give you includes all of this. So you don't need to try to write this down and take notes. But this right here is just a sample workflow automation. As soon as somebody comes in, let's just say they have an appointment, the system is going to sit back and send this particular person a text message, which you can customize this message whatever you want. Hi, Joan, we wanted to check with you about your latest experience with us here at the electricians, whatever electrical company it is, how likely would you recommend us to a friend? And you can just simply ask them, what kind of a rating that they would give you. You're gonna wait for a reply that's gonna determine, okay, did they reply? Yes. Did they not reply? Then let's follow up again. Was there a reply? Was there reply 1, 2, 3, or 4? Like, did they leave you 1, 2, 3, or 4 stars, or did they leave you a 5-star? If they left you a 5-star, then what we're going to do is send them another text message with a link saying, "Great, thank you so much. We're glad your experience was good. Click on the link to give us a Google review," and then that will take them. That's that special link I told you about, and actually send that out there. All of my training goes over how to do all of this, and it's only about 30 minutes for the training. So this right here, the workflows that you get are truly the magic of the automation that happens behind the scenes, as well as the AI system that we talked about here for being able to automatically respond to reviews here. And you're going to set this to auto response so that this happens automatically, and everything happens just, again, automagically is the term I like to say. And your clients are just amazed at all the reviews that they get and how it's auto responding, and then they're going to start seeing that go from here. If we take a look, this poor guy right here, 15 reviews, been in business for 7 years. That's honestly, kind of, bad. They could probably do a lot better. But when that 15 goes to 50, 50 goes to 100, 100 goes to 300. And they're like, wow, this system is really working. We're getting a lot more reviews. And now they start seeing a lot more customers calling in as a result of it. They're going to see the benefit of this. And they're going to want to continue to pay you every single month. Now, how much are they going to pay you? That's a great segue into what you should offer. Now, I'm giving this as ranges because in different areas, obviously services cost more. And if you're in an area where the cost of living is a little bit higher, then you may want to push this range a little bit more toward the higher end range versus the lower end range. So all of these services, can be negotiated, but technically what we're going to do is this base offering. You're going to get the software, the GoHighlevel software, which again, if you haven't signed up for it, click the link below. You get 30 days for free. It's going to integrate with their Google My Business profile. So it's going to connect up to that and integrate. All you need is their username and password for that, and then it connects directly to their Google Business profile. They're going to get all the review requests, the workflows, the website chat widget, all of that stuff they're going to get for the base package, charging them anywhere from $297 to $497 a month for that, for the base package. Now, if you wanted to, you don't necessarily have to have a base package and sort of an add-on, but I'm just offering this as an add-on where you could give the reviews. Like the base package is great, but now you have to respond to all the reviews. Oh, well, you don't want to respond to 200 or 300 new reviews every month that we're getting. Okay, then you can purchase this for $197 for our AI system to go through and generate all of those responses for you, completely making this process 100% automated. Now, imagine if you're charging $497 on this and plus $197. So let's just call it $697. So $697 is what you're charging this guy right here, or this person, for their service. They're starting to see all the reviews come up. They're starting to make more money. To them, this is a godsend because they have a system put in place. They see their business is growing, and you're charging them every single month, and they're going to thank you for charging them, for their service. They're going to thank you every single month for this. Now, a couple of other things that you can do here. You can actually help out the small business owner if you want to. There's a couple of quick ideas. I mean, that special link that you get, you can actually take that link and go out and get like a free QR code. And then they can make business cards for them. If they want to make business cards that they can leave, that's another thing that you can do for your clients as like an extra add-on. Just take that link, make a QR code, email them the QR code, and say, hey, go out someplace where you can make cheap business cards and make up a couple business cards. It just says, hey, please leave us a Google review. This way, whenever you're done with their servicing them, you can just simply leave them a card. And if you want to, you can even be fancy and go buy those like little magnetic business card stickers that you can peel off and put the business card directly on the sticker so that you can put it directly on the refrigerator. They can actually put it up there and call you later, so you can have your business information and a QR code that they can scan later on their phone, and it pops up with that special link that gets generated. They can leave a review, and everything is good, and now you can leave them something behind. You can also do something pretty cool like with Google. There's like Google Review NFT cards. Have you ever seen those? Like cards that you can buy, tap on the back of their phone, and it pops up a little window that leaves them a review. You can do that if you want to, but that's also an option. And again, you've got the workflows that are happening behind the scenes that's going to sell your service. That's the automation piece that you're going to get every single month. So again, the software, they're going to get all of this software, the dashboard, the reviews, everything, and you're going to be able to charge them, say, $300 a month to $700 a month. Somewhere in there is where you're going to be able to package it depending upon what you're offering them and so forth. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I create videos like this all the time. I really do appreciate your support. And leave me a like, leave me a comment if you thought the video was useful. But sign up right now. This is a great business model. You can start very small, 30-day free trial. Sign up using my link below in the description. 30 days, you get one customer, one client. Go watch my technical training. Again, it's about 30 minutes over there. I give you everything that you need to sell. That's the thing that's a huge benefit. You don't need to build this system. You just need to get the software using the link. Once you get the software, I teach you in the other video linked to the description here, how to import all of that information into your account, so that all you need to do is just simply put that information into your client's account, dot the I's, cross the T's, make a few adjustments based upon the video that's in the description below. And that's all you need to do to get this thing set up. Once it's set up, it takes you, again, maybe an hour, 2 hours max to get this thing set up. They're going to be charged. You're going to be able to charge them $300 to $700 every single month. And really, they're on autopilot. You really don't need to talk to them again unless there needs to be a change to their system, because the high-level system will run automatically for every new client that they get. So that's the power that you get, how you can start a business making $10,000 a month. Hope you liked the video, and have a great day.